Imagine a T-Rex roaring, teeth bared. A hunter. But that image is incomplete, far from the whole truth. Vast herds of plant-eating dinosaurs roam ancient lands. Brachiosaurus munches leaves high in the treetops. Triceratops graze peacefully on ferns and low shrubs. These herbivores thrive, the base of the ecosystem. Now, picture only 1% meat-eating dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex is a rare anomaly in its time. Most dinosaurs were gentle giants, plant-eaters all. So next time, think green before you think of teeth.